guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my Boxing Day makeup tutorial. So Christmas is coming up. Last week I did my Christmas makeup tutorial. Now today is my Boxing Day makeup tutorial. So I haven't actually done a Boxing Day makeup tutorial on my channel before, and there's actually not that many on YouTube. But I thought I would do it because personally I always have a family party on Boxing Day, so I always need to do makeup, I always dress up, you know, so we always have a party on Boxing Day. And I know that a lot of people go out on Boxing Day, so I don't understand why there aren't many Boxing Day makeup tutorials on YouTube, but I am going to do one anyway. There are a few, but there's not many, so I'm going to do one this year, and it's kind of like a party glam but also really easy makeup tutorial to do. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so to start with, I am using my NYX First Base Primer Water, and then I'm using my Too Faced Hangover Primer on my Real Techniques stippling brush. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going in with a full coverage foundation because for a party you kind of want full coverage. So I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F1. And then I'm going to blend that in with my Morphe M439 brush. And then for concealer, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. And I'm going to blend that in with my Real Techniques contour brush. As you can see, it's very full coverage, which is the look I'm going for. So now I'm going to set my face using powder. So the powder I'm using is the Rimmel Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder in the shade Transparent. And I'm going to use my Morphe G35 brush to set my eye area. And then to set the rest of my face, I'll use my Morphe E2. Okay, now to contour my face, I'm using the e.l.f. contour palette, and using my You Spicy 27 brush, I'm going to contour. And then I'm going in with the bronzer on my Real Techniques blush brush. Then for blush, I'm using my Colourpop Between the Sheets Super Shock blush on my Real Techniques Multitask brush. And then for highlight, using my Super Shock Cheek, also by Colourpop, in the shade Lunch Money. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques setting brush. Okay, so moving on to the eyes, so I'll zoom you in. Okay, so today I'm going to be using my Morphe 35F palette to create my look today. It is such a gorgeous palette. I've used it lots of times on my channel. I love it so much. So first of all, I'm going to go in with this shade here on the bottom, the third one in, on my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to put it through the crease. I'm then going to go in with this darker shade here on the end, and then I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to focus it more on the outer corners as well. And then I'm going to take a brush with no product on to just blend it all together. Then I'm going to take those two eyeshadows on my Morphe E18 pencil brush and I'm going to apply them to my lower lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Morphe M429 brush and I'm going to take this colour here. It's like a dark purple colour, this one right here. And I'm going to put that on the outer corners and the inner corner to create a halo eye. And I'm going to apply it using this brush. I'm then going to take my Real Techniques shading brush and I'm just going to blend that through into the gap at the top a little bit, through the crease. I'm then going to go back in with the crease colours and just blend it all together. And then I'm going to go in with the second shade in on the top and I'm going to put that then obviously in the middle. And I'm going to use my accent brush by Real Techniques to do that. Okay, so for eyeliner I'm using my NYX Brown Perfection eyeliner. Then I'm going to take my NYX Control Freak Clear Eyebrow Gel. And then I'm going to curl my lashes with my Tweezerman eyelash curlers. And I'm going to use my Maybelline Falsies Push Up Drama mascara. And then finally for lips, so I'm going to line my lips using my NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Suede Shoes. And then I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie. And there you have it. This is my Boxing Day makeup tutorial. Really fun and simple look. I think it makes your eyes look bigger, look brighter. Really good for a party or any time really. I just really like the look. I like to dress up and put makeup on for Boxing Day because I have a party. But you could use this any time of year. It's really easy to create, really affordable as well to do. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And I hope you have a lovely Christmas, a lovely Boxing Day. And thank you so much for watching, guys. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!